work is that?
This is boxing. 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner. He represents Stafford Fight Factory. His name is Jude Dale. And in the red corner, he represents Legion's Gym. His name is Sam Phillips.
Both boys looking ready to go. Both got a big crowd behind them as well, so it's going to be a good fight. Jude banging his hands together, he's ready to go.
Intense stare off going down here.
Boys trying to stare each other down here. Let's see, this could be a good one. Both on their toes.
Round 1.
Both boys straight in. Nice straight hands by Jude.
Oh!
Sam's coming forward though. Both boys looking strong.
Both guys looking for a big shot.
Yeah.
Both guys looking for the body shot now too.
Both taking big shots here early on. Yeah, boys not giving an inch here, both going forward.
Sam really working to the body here. Nice response from Jude.
Sam working a little bit more here. Oh, Jude returns. Sam shaked his head then, like that didn't bother him. Sam's going forward.
Really coming forward. Oh, nice right hand by Jude.
And again. Nice head movement by Sam there.
Sam just needs to be careful on the way in, I feel.
Yeah, Sam's pushing forward, but sometimes you need to be careful. Jude's still throwing.
Jude being more composed here. Great work by Sam on the inside. Nice response.
Both boys not giving an inch here.
Oh.
Oh, beautiful uppercut.
And that is time, end of round 1.
What a first round.
Yeah, beautiful round 1 there.
It'll be hard to keep that pace going for 3 rounds, I feel. Here we go, round 2. Sam coming forward again. Jude being clever with the footwork.
Yeah, being patient. But he's getting caught with the, Sam's got good pressure work. Jude's countering nicely though.
Both boys a really good counter puncher here.
Yeah, both boys looking really strong though. Beautiful.
Someone's got to go here.
Both boys getting their heads knocked back, but both still coming forward.
Jude looking more composed. But Sam working hard to come forward.
Sam needs to keep those hands up as he's coming forward.
These guys putting in a lot of effort here. Nice shot by Jude.
Sam goes over the top with his own answer. Oh, Sam shakes his head.
Nice head movement there from Sam. Sam working to the body again, up to the head.
Both boys working really hard. Oh, that wobbled him. And again. Is the ref going to jump in?
Sam showing his chin here. Great shots by Jude.
He took 2 big shots then.
Sam needs to be careful here. Jude looking for that right hand again. Sam still looking to come forward.
Still coming forward. Oh.
Really strong finish there from Sam.
Yeah, both boys taking 2 big shots there at the end.
Third and final round. I'd like to see both guys finish off this fight.
Sam coming forward with that pressure again. Jude looking for good counters.
Sam coming forward again, working the body. Jude looking for the uppercut on the inside.
Sam is definitely a pressure fighter. Jude likes working on the back foot a little bit, but he does well. Beautiful shot from Sam.
Great shots by Sam.
Jude doesn't look bothered though, still coming forward.
Jude pushing forward, needs to be careful here.
Good, both boys are going to have sore heads in the morning.
What a fight. Overhand right from Sam, another one. Nice uppercut on the inside.
Nice work by both boys here.
Jude still looking composed, waiting for that counter punch again.
Beautiful shot there by Jude.
Both guys landing heavy here.
Yeah, Sam needs to keep those hands up a little bit. Sam is a very good pressure fighter though.
This is really tough for both guys here.
Yeah, both boys leaving everything in that ring.
Oh,
nice uppercut.
Kyle coming for Jude, sorry.
Both boys throw him.
Who can finish stronger here? Both corners pushing their fighters. Let's go.
Nice left hand.
Jude fighting back.
This fight has been so even, tit for tat the whole time. 10 seconds left. Beautiful right hand.
Both guys deserve to finish this fight. Whoa!
Good fight, but both lads left everything in the ring there.
What a performance from both.